There are 195 countries on our planet, and just under half the human population of Earth is female. Yet only 8 of these countries offer full legal protections to women. Belgium, France, Denmark, Latvia, Luxembourg, Sweden, Canada and Iceland. All in all, worldwide, women only have 3/4 of the legal rights that men do. In 59 countries, there are no laws on sexual harassment in the workplace. In 18 countries, husbands are legally allowed to prevent their wives from working. In 104 countries, there are laws that prevent women from working in specific jobs. In 39 countries, there are laws that mean a daughter cannot inherit the same proportion of assets as a son. In 32 countries, women cannot apply for passports with the same ease men can. Worldwide, nearly 1 in 4 girls between the ages of 15 and 19 are neither employed nor in education or training, compared to 1 in 10 boys. In 51 countries, only 55% of women aged between 15 and 49 who were married or in a relationship make their own decisions about sexual relations, reproductive health and contraception. In many countries, including Yemen, a wife can't leave home without her husband's permission. There are 10 countries in the world in which forcing a wife to have sex with her husband against her will is legal. Bahamas, India, Yemen, marital rape remains legal. In Singapore, marital rape is legal as long as the wife is over the age of 13. Cuba, Dominican Republic, Tanzania, child marriage is legal. In 46 countries, there is no legal protection against domestic violence. In Nigeria, a woman can be beaten as much and for how long as her husband wants, if it's for the purpose of correcting her. In 2017, Russia passed a new law that decriminalised the first instance of domestic violence. In Syria and Egypt, there are laws which allow a lesser punishment for men who murder their wives in so-called honour killings. Every day, 137 women across the world are killed by a member of their own family. In Mexico, 10 women are killed every day, and 90% of these cases of femicide go unpunished. In the UK, a woman is killed by a man every 3 days, around 60% of them killed by a partner or ex-partner. Whilst almost 1 in 3 women in England and Wales, aged between 16 and 59, will experience domestic abuse in their lifetime. There is close to 1 million people trafficked across international borders every year, and 80% of them are female. 79% of trafficking is for sexual exploitation, and within that 79%, females make up 99%. Worldwide, 1 in 20 girls between the ages of 15 and 19, that's around 13 million, have experienced forced sex in their lifetimes. 1/3 of women worldwide have experienced physical and/or sexual violence by a partner. There are legal loopholes in Kuwait, Libya and Thailand which enable a rapist to escape punishment by marrying his victim. An estimated 200 million girls and women alive today have undergone female genital mutilation, and if the practice continues at current levels, there is a further 60 million at risk over the next decade. Female genital mutilation is practiced, although not legal, in 31 countries worldwide, including Mali, where 90% or more of women aged between 15 and 49 have been subjected to these barbaric mutilations. Whilst there's a great deal to celebrate about women and their achievements, forgive me if I'm not reporting this, but instead prompting reminders of the enormous amount of change still required. Secretary-General of the UN, Antonio Guterres, said in a speech last year, "Just as slavery and colonialism were a stain on the previous centuries, women's inequality should shame us all in the 21st. Ain't that the truth?"